What's going on, gang? Brett with Brett Patrick Builds. As you can see, we have this beautiful full roof replacement happening right here in Leland, North Carolina, a small town right outside of Wilmington. So thank you again for tuning in. Got some fire content for you like always. So something I wanted to touch on today that has been brought to my attention is, obviously I left YouTube for about 2 years due to some issues I had with a previous employer, which I'm not going to get into. But a lot of you guys found me initially for being a gutter cleaning pro, which I want to be very straightforward. I am still that. So I pivoted to the roofing space because majority of my experience, working for somebody else was in the roofing capacity. And it got to a point where, look, I can do it all myself. I know what needs to be done. I need to stop playing scared and just pull the trigger on that. And I'm very glad that I've done so. I should have done it sooner, if I'm being completely honest. With that said, I'm still fully immersed in the gutter cleaning, gutter protection space. I actually have another company, it's all part of the same umbrella as Happy Days, called Sunrise Gutter Protection, that offers all the same services that I used to do when I had my other company. So gutter cleaning, gutter tune-ups, gutter guards, full-blown gutter replacements, the whole gamut. I don't do pressure washing anymore, but very profitable business endeavor, very, something I would highly recommend anybody getting into, especially if you're just starting out, low barrier to entry, good money, and there's a need for it. So I don't want you guys to think that none of my content will ever be in that space, because it most certainly will be. But the reason that I pivoted to the path I'm doing now compared to what I used to do is I'm getting older. I got 2 daughters now, and I'm learning leverage a little bit more than I used to in the past. So no longer am I going to be the guy doing all the work. So in my previous business, I was, selling the job, marketing the job, doing the jobs, invoicing, start to finish all the way through, outside of some small sub work for like gutters. And I just found that when I'm doing that, I'm not really the best at any one thing, and I limit my ability to continue to work on the business because I'm so involved in the business. So the roofing path I've taken has allowed me to have that above and beyond income, because obviously the earning potential is a little bit higher per job, right? I'm not ripping off 2 or 3 roofs every single day like I could with the gutter cleaning space, but one roof will pay what maybe 10 or 15 gutter cleanings will. So you don't need to, you get the math on that. But anyways, it's just a natural evolution. So I think if you're thinking about getting in the home service space, the gutter cleaning path, the pressure washing path is 100% a great starting point. Do that for a while, and that can obviously be a major business. If you grow it up, you get a big enough book of business, you start bringing on some reps to kind of do some of the work for you. That way you can grow it. For me, just because of the way that my little career path started and happened when I moved out to Texas and back, I opted to go to the roofing space, where I knew that I could immediately jump in, provide a lot of expertise and experience, and overnight essentially increase my earning potential. Now the gutter stuff is more of just like a side service for what I'm doing. So thank you guys again for supporting the channel. If you're here for gutter cleaning stuff, please stay. You will continue to get gutter cleaning stuff. And if you're here for the roofing stuff, you're going to learn a great deal about that industry, as well as how to have a complimentary service in the gutter cleaning space as well. So you guys comment below. Tell me what you want to see more of. Do you want to see a great deal of roofing content? Do you still want some of the good gutter cleaning stuff, or a little mix of two, and how the two work together? How the gutter cleaning business can be a feeder to the roofing business, and how the roofing business can be a feeder to the gutter cleaning side. So y'all let me know. See you on the next one.